10 to 15 lakh people got massacred. While they were going to that side, the trains and bogies of bogies were filled with mutilated dead bodies. जो रास्ते में मिला, जो उधर से आ रहा था वो भी कट के आ रहा था, जो उधर से जा रहा था वो भी कट के जा रहा था. Mr. Khushwant Singh, the editor, no more now, famous Sardar Khushwant Singh, editor, Hindustan Times Illustrated Weekly, wrote a book, Train to Pakistan. आप उस बुक को पढ़ के शायद 2 दिन खाना ना खाएं. ह्यूमन बीइंग का वो नेकेड डांस उसकी बॉडी के साथ किया गया जो कि अशोभनीय है, सोच कर भी. और उन हालातों में पीपल केम टू दिस साइड विदाउट मनी. मोस्टली दे वर सिख्स एंड पंजाबीज. And most of the Muslims who had gone from this side, they were from UP and Bihar. And generally, India has faced the onslaught of Genghis Khan, Mongols, who came from Central Asia, attacked India, Ghajini. They all, India faced the music of onslaughts, UP and Bihar. Because after Vindhyas, after Gwalior, the series of mountainous ranges, they generally stopped and deterred the enemy. तो ये यहाँ आके रुक जाते थे और यहीं पर ही सारा कुछ था. ये जो गंगा जमुना की बातें करते हैं, ये गंगा जमुना तहजीब जो है, ये गंगा जमुना रिसोर्सेज, दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा रिसोर्सेज यहीं पर थे. आज भी ऑन रिकॉर्ड, लेट मी कंफर्म टू यू दैट द मोस्ट फर्टाइल एरिया इन द वर्ल्ड is between Ganga and Jamuna, where we people are fortunate to live. तो ये जब हुआ हादसा तो बहुत लोग थे जो सिंध में थे, बलूचिस्तान में थे, पाकिस्तान साइड में, who were from suppressed class, उस समय शेड्यूल कास्ट. तो अब हम कहने लगे हैं, लेकिन हरिजन थे, लोअर क्लास लोग थे जिन्हें समाज मानता था लोअर क्लास. हमें तो कहना भी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन अब कहना पड़ता है. वो लोग जिनके पास रिसोर्सेज थे, they were under some state of illusion. They thought that Jinnah has also made one statement after partition, that no more Muslims and no more Hindus, all are going to be equal. And that is what he said in the Constituent Assembly before adopting Constitution of Pakistan. So there was a Constituent Assembly here also in India, which worked for 3 years for framing this constitution, which was adopted on 26th November 1949 and implemented on 26th January 1950. So this speech was made by Jinnah. There, no Hindu, no Muslim, all human beings will become equal and they will have equal opportunities and equal status in the Republic of Pakistan. But Jinnah never knew. His days are numbered. He died within 1 year. And that was the time when actual Pakistan emerged. And actual leadership of Pakistan, who wanted Pakistan to become Islamic Republic of Pakistan, they emerged and they declared Islamic Republic of Pakistan. And then their military leadership came to the surface. And you people must know that for 70% of the time, out of these 70 years, Pakistan has remained under military rule. And military always wanted Islam to be the state religion, not only religion, but declared as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. So I tell you one interesting incident which will leave you dejected, of course, but it will not leave you cheerful. That in 1948, the law minister of Pakistan was Mr. Mandal. If I give you the full name, then I refer Joginder Nath Mandal. He was the law minister. And he was the witness to the entire adoption of constitution and all that. And he was the person who saw that all those principles, high pedestal principles, were being thrown to the dustbin, and it became, right before him, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Would you believe that the law minister of Pakistan in 1948 fled away from that country and came to India